Hey, what's up guys? Today we got a new rail from Amazon and I'm gonna be reviewing it. It's an EMA rail. It's around 11 inches, $17. And it's gonna be one of my first real rails and I'm psyched to open it up. So let's get to it.
Down and emotions feel like I never did before. Life shows him spoken real.
So here's the rail. It's about 11 inches. Got these little foam things. Slips a little, but I think it will work fine. So let's get to sessioning it.
Yeah.
So this rail for $17, I feel like it's pretty sturdy. My one thing that I thought it was gonna slip because you can kind of see like that, but it kept like sturdy. It didn't slip or anything, so that's really good. My overall review on it is that it's a good rail. $17. It fulfills. It's really good if you're looking for your first rail. Would I really recommend it if you are trying to get like good quality, like high quality rails? Not that much, but if you're looking for your first fingerboard obstacle, your first rail, then I highly recommend this. It's really good if you're a beginner and you just want to get some cool rail tricks, but I highly recommend getting something better quality if you're higher into fingerboarding. But overall, it's a great rail. I recommend it, and yeah, thanks for riding.